Document it here how you're feeling. No movement into those hips. Good or bad?
It's good, man.
Yeah, good. There it goes. Good. Oh, there you go. There it goes. A lot of built up inflammation. I mean, with the hips and just everything causing all this inflammation around there, a lot of muscle stiffness. Same thing through the back. I mean, you adjusted well over there, which is good. Decompression, I just want to relax as much as possible. Okay?
I'm feeling my tailbone.
Did you feel that all the way down through the low back?
Yeah, right here.
Good.
And I feel my hips pop.
You did?
Yeah.
Good. Felt that all the way down through there?
Yeah, I felt it right here in the middle and right here.
Good. And down what, through here?
Yeah. I can turn better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's it feel into the low back? I know the hips are still stiff and tight.
You feel that back more. You feel that
And
more.
that doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt, but you just feel
It just
less
doesn't
tight.
want to, yeah, tight. It doesn't
Yeah.
want to let you. The muscles need to
Relax.
relax. How's that feeling in the back?
Feel the back no more.
Good.
It's just the hip right here.
The hip?
Yeah.
What's your pain overall? Like I said, you were 7.
Lower back, I don't feel it now. It's maybe 5.
That's what we released too.
Yeah.
So that might spike up a little bit of discomfort because we unlocked it. But it's better overall?
Yeah.
Yeah.